the process for constructing minor thirds is going to be pretty close to the process that we used for constructing major thirds. The only difference is that with a minor third, we only want 3 half steps. And again, I'm going to do this starting just at the piano, because that makes things a little bit less complicated. So let's find a minor third from the note D. Here's the D that's right above middle C. Here's D. So in order to construct a minor third, I want to make sure that I go not 4 but 3 half steps above the D. So let's count 3. D to D sharp, that's 1. D sharp to E, that's 2. E to F, that's 3. And there we are. D to F is a minor third. A third with 3 half steps. Again, notice that I did not start counting 1 until I had traveled that first full half step, until I arrived at the D sharp. So D to D sharp is 1, D sharp to E is 2, E to F is 3. We sometimes, by the way, abbreviate a minor third with a lowercase m and then a 3. So major third we abbreviate as an uppercase m with a 3, minor third as a lowercase m with a 3. It sometimes be a little bit tricky to tell them apart, the lowercase and the uppercase. But that's one of the conventions that we'll use. Okay, let's try a couple more minor thirds. Let's try a minor third starting on B. Okay, so here's our B right here. Choose the B right below middle C. And let's count up 3 half steps. So B to C, that's 1. C to C sharp, that's 2. C sharp to D, that's 3. So B to D is a minor third. All right, let's try one starting on, let's go back to C, to middle C, and try a minor third starting on C. So here is C, and we want 3 half steps above C. So C to C sharp is 1, C sharp to D is 2, and D to D sharp is 3. Now, I'm not going to call it D sharp. I'm actually going to call it E flat. And in the next video, I'll explain why that is. So, C to E flat is a minor third. Notice, by the way, if you remember, a major third from C was actually C to E natural. So notice there's just that 1 half step difference between a minor third above C and a major third above C. So again, we can start on a white key and end up on a black key when we're doing minor thirds. And we can do the same thing. Let's try a different approach. Let's try making a minor third from this F sharp. F sharp. Okay, so let's count up 3 half steps from F sharp. F sharp to G is 1, G to G sharp is 2, G sharp to A is 3. So F sharp to A is a minor third. In the next video, we'll talk about how we actually write these at the staff, and I'll give you a little bit of a hint as to why I wrote our minor third from C as C to E flat instead of C to D sharp.